Hi everybody, it's Chef Martin from ThermoWorks, and today we want to talk about checking your oven's accuracy. Everything you cook in the oven depends upon your oven's accuracy. If your oven cooks too high or too low, you're not going to get the result that you want. Ovens work with a thermostat, just like your home heater does. It has a thermometer, and when it gets up to a certain temperature, the heat turns off. The temperature falls until it gets down to another set temperature, and then it turns back on. You end up with a temperature wave kind of like this. You want to find the average cooking temperature in that wave. If it's too high or too low, you know you need to adjust your oven's temperature accordingly. There's a couple of really useful tools for checking the accuracy of your oven temperature, and they're all leave-in probe thermometers. What you want to do is first put an air probe in your oven on a grate clip. Turn your oven on to the set temperature that you want and let it preheat. Once the oven is preheated, you want to reset the min-max function on your chef alarm and then watch for a couple of minutes to get the new min and the new max, and then take the average of those two temperatures. We've peaked out, and now we're actually dropping to a new low temperature. You can see it bottomed out at 361 degrees and is now rising back up again. So we can take the average between these two temperatures. If it's higher than you wanted it to be based on what you set your oven at, then lower your temperature next time you cook. If it's lower, then increase the temperature by the same amount in order to get to the temperature you need. Using any of our cloud-enabled thermometers allows you to not just see the min and max, but to actually graph and look at the wave function as your oven changes. This can be very instructive, not only to see how high and low it goes, but how fast that oven is cycling through those changes. And the app even has an averaging function that will tell you a revolving average of the temperature as you go along. And just like with Chef Alarm, you can take that average temperature and you can adjust your oven setting accordingly. By checking your oven's accuracy, you can make sure that you're cooking your food just the way you want to cook it, so that it comes out just the way you want. Whether it's for holiday baking or for any other thing that you cook during the whole year, knowing that accuracy and knowing how to change your oven appropriately is really important. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.